How to use iOS 18 iPhone mirroring and fix mirroring issues. Let's get started. Want to mirror your iPhone screen to a TV or computer but running into issues? With iOS 18, iPhone mirroring is easier than ever, but sometimes you may face connection problems. Here's how to set it up and fix common issues. To start, make sure both your iPhone and the device you are mirroring are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Check that. Then, open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner. Tap on screen mirroring and select the device you want to mirror to from the list. Your iPhone screen should appear on the other device in just a few seconds. If mirroring isn't working, try restarting both your iPhone and the device you are connecting to. This simple step can solve many connectivity issues. For that, navigate to the option of Settings, head over to the option of General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. You'll get the slider. Slide that icon to the right to turn off your phone. Likewise, restart the device that you want to mirror to as well. Also, make sure your AirPlay is enabled in both the devices. Another tip is to ensure both devices are running the latest software updates. To check that, head over to Settings, go to General, then navigate to the option of Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Compatibility issues can sometimes be resolved with the latest updates. Next, you can reset network settings. To do that, head back, scroll down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on the option Reset, select the option Reset Network Settings, type in your passcode and go through the process. With these steps, you should be able to mirror your iPhone smoothly on iOS 18. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.